Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to play Vita Mahjong for beginners. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Vita Mahjong for beginners is a simplified mahjong game designed to be easy to learn and enjoyable for newcomers. It can be played as a digital game or with physical tiles. So what you need to do is head over and open up your Vita Mahjong app, and once you do that, here you need to understand the objective of the game. The goal of the Vita Mahjong is to clear the board by matching pair of identical tiles. Basic setup are: if you play digitally, download and install the game on your device and then choose the beginner mode. Simply tap on level 1 to start it. And then if you are using physical tiles, arrange the mahjong tiles in a layered pattern, commonly a pyramid or other layouts. Rules for matching tiles are: look for the two tiles with identical designs, and then if a tile is free and can be matched, it's not covered by another tile, or it has at least one side left or right open. Match and remove: click or select both the tiles to remove them from the board. And then features for beginners are: there are hints. Many versions offer a hint button to show available matches. Undo: if you make a mistake, use the undo option to go back a step. And then there is a reshuffle option. Some games allow a reshuffle option if there are no matches left. So that's basically how to play Vita Mahjong beginners, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.